This video segment is on paper tubes with crimped ends and recommended closure technique. First, open a crimped end, then place product such as a braided hose inside the tube, then crimp end down. Place filament tape across the crimped end, then wrap the tape around the tube diameter at both ends for a secure closure. Here we place a toy wand inside the crimped end tube. Secure close using the same method. Next, we place a poster inside the crimped end tube. Close using the same method by placing the film and tape across the crimped ends and wrapping the tape around the tube diameter. End tubes are economical and ideal for mailing or storage. Made out of 3-ply spiral wound construction, these rigid tubes resist bending. Crimped end tubes are reusable and recyclable. You simply pinch ends to close.